Looking to build a compact powerhouse? Here are the top 5 Mini-ITX cases for small form factor gaming builds. First up, the Cooler Master NR200P, our gold standard. It fits GPUs up to 330mm and CPU coolers to 155mm, and its removable mesh or glass panels make installation a breeze. Next, the NZXT H210 brings premium cable management to Mini-ITX. Moreover, it supports up to a 240mm all-in-one radiator so you can stay cool without compromising space. On a budget? The Thermaltake Core V1 delivers excellent airflow thanks to its 200mm fan, and still fits dual-slot GPUs up to 285mm, all for a wallet-friendly price. For LAN warriors, the Lian Li 2 150's retractable handle and aluminum build make transport effortless. Plus, it supports GPUs up to 320mm and CPU coolers to 165mm. Finally, the Fractal Terra Jade brings style and substance. Its dual-chamber design keeps cables tidy, fits GPUs up to 315mm and supports a 240mm front radiator, perfect for a colorful, powerful build. Which Mini-ITX case suits your style and setup? Check the links in the description and start building your small form factor beast today.